Oh my god, I just had an actual heart attack. I was on the train tracks and a train passed by.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Hey, how's it going? Today we are unboxing my new easel that I've had for probably 2 or 3 weeks. I've just been so busy, so I haven't been able to go out and paint. But we're going to unbox it, and then we're going to take it out, and I'm going to take you to this really cool spot that I haven't been to in a long time, but I think it's going to be a really fun spot to paint. So welcome to our adventure, whatever, 6, 7, whenever I decide to post this. So let's get going. Interesting system. It's just a support where it just kind of rests on these posts and sits. There's no screws or anything, which is really nice. So it's awesome that you don't have to set anything up really besides unfold and pop this on, pop that on, and it's good to go. Okay, look at that, that's cool. I'm running out of sunlight as always, so let's go paint. So I'm walking on the tracks to go find a spot to paint, and then I look up and then there's just lights coming at me and a huge horn, and I'm like running on this bridge and there's gaps in between the beams, so I'm like trying not to trip and fall and get run over by a freaking train. So that was exciting, that was fun. Yeah, the train's almost here too actually, so let's watch that. Welcome to another classic Chris narrates video where he never knows what to say because he's scripted, and enjoy me missing my water cup completely because I thought that was pretty funny, and I didn't do that on purpose. But I also didn't want to film this in slow-mo on purpose, but somehow I did it again, and I think I finally figured out what button it is, so I'm just not going to press that anymore. I'm just going to kind of leave that alone and never touch that button and never look up how to do it because I'm kind of stubborn and I just don't want to learn it. But anyway, I like how this painting came out. I think at first I was kind of overwhelmed. There was a lot going on. That's kind of the theme of these videos, is I get overwhelmed. But you can never tell, look how cool I look all the time. But yeah, so I zoomed in a little too much. I wish I you know, fit more of the waterfall actually in there, but you know, you live and you learn, and I've never painted a waterfall like this, so I actually really like how this came out with this dry brush texture right here, with all this white gouache kind of laid more thickly on top of it. And you know, I think that was where my focus was. I kind of ignored the sides, I kind of ignored the rocks. I was just so focused on this water that I had a lot of fun with that. But I think a big takeaway is to, you know, focus more on everything else, because the entire painting is what matters, not just the fun splashes. But anyway, bam, look at that. Beautiful. Comment what you want to see me do next, and I love you. Thank you for watching. You're just the best, and I'll see you next time.